I've been a walking heartache, I've made a mess of me. The person that I've been lately ain't who I wanna be. But you stay here right beside me and watch as the storm blows through, and I need you. 'Cause God gave me you for the ups and downs. God gave me you for the days of doubt, and for when I think I lost my way, there are no words here left to say. It's true. God gave me you. Gave me you. There's more here than what we're seeing, a divine conspiracy. And you, an angel lovely, but somehow fall for me. You'll always be love's great martyr, and I'll be the flattered fool, and I need you. Yeah, God gave me you for the ups and downs.
I'm thinking about making the next step with them. And I would like to propose. I just want to get your blessing as well as hers.
You have my blessing, young man.
That makes me happier than you'll ever know.
If she is what you want, and she is far better than any young woman I've seen you with thus far.
I absolutely
Something
love
special
her.
that I've never felt this way towards anybody before. I love
I
her
have
more
tears in
than
my eyes.
I could.
You don't need to ask our blessing because you haven't. Believe me, you haven't.
You are more than
I just wanted to tell you guys first.
Thank you.
well. We appreciate that.
That's a privilege.
Thank you. Welcome aboard, Ashley.
So me and Ashley've been together for a little over a year, and
Seems a lot longer than
I know officially a year, unofficially a good bit, but she means a lot to me. I can't even put into words how she makes me feel, and we've been talking, and we're ready to take it to the next level, and I'm just here to ask you guys your blessing of her hand in marriage.
You were worried about that?
Yeah, man. I vote no.
You were in from the beginning. Oh, God, stop it.
Definitely have it. That's her ex. Definitely. You and a 7-year-old brother.
Does she know the seven?
Will we give you our consent?
I've been trying to keep it as
Okay.
It's difficult sneaking out when I can't, but I hope it's doing something.
Do I have to look here?
No.
Oh.
So just want to tell you guys that me and Ashley, we're not having a child, I don't want to. But I plan to propose to her shortly here. And I just wanted to tell you guys and I guess get your blessing as well.
Oh,
Oh,
So,
more
I mean,
that's easy.
that's easy. Is this picture gonna take?
it's just videotaping.
You're being videoed now.
Oh, I didn't. Yeah!